Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on the clear shared files function if you want to clear all of the files you have sent or shared after each meeting ends on the Webex Meet application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now you should click on the settings icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Tap on General and click on Clear Webex History and Clear Shared Files. As you can see, it will clear all the files you have shared during the meetings after it ends. Otherwise, the last 5 files you share in meetings will remain on your mobile device. So here you can select these options in the general section. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.